Let's sous vide some chicken leg quarters, y'all. They gonna be real tasty. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. Now, of course, you know we gotta rain on them. Gotta hit them with that salt. Then we're gonna go ahead and hit them with whatever your favorite rub is. This is the rub that I'm using. Get us a really nice coat on there. And of course, you know we season both sides, y'all. And once we get that rub on there, I hit mine with a little bit of rosemary. Just a little bit, y'all. Just a little bit. So let's go ahead and get them into that bag. Once we get them into that bag, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of bacon fat, y'all. Bacon fat. That bacon fat makes everything better. And that's going to kind of confit it while it's in the sous vide machine, which is making it even better. Going to make that skin crispier when we have our finished product, and real tasty. But anyway, let's go and back it down. Get into that machine at 145 degrees for 4 hours. After those 4 hours are up, we're going to get it out. Into a pan, we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to get that screeching hot just so we can quickly sear that skin right quick on that chicken just to get it crispy. And then it's time to plate up. Now I have mine with some barley, and I made a little gravy out of the drippings from that bag. Just a little onion gravy, using those sous vide drippings. Those drippings from that bag make that gravy so tasty, y'all. But anyway, let's go ahead and get us a bite of this chicken. And that skin is really crispy, y'all. And this was one tasty dish. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.